Welcome students, this is the part 2 of the chapter Role of Government in Health. In the previous lesson we understood what is health and what are the factors which affecting the health of a person. In previous lesson we also understood that India have two contrasting situations such as we have large number of doctors, we have large number of hospitals, still India is struggling with providing adequate medical facilities to everyone. So, in this chapter, I am going to teach you what is healthcare services. India have two type of healthcare services. First is public healthcare services and second is private healthcare services. First, we will understand what are public healthcare services. Public healthcare services are the chain of healthcare centers hospitals, and these healthcare centers and hospitals are run by government. All these healthcare centers and hospitals are interlinked together. And how they are interlinked together? Let us understand that. चलिए समझते हैं कि ये जितने भी हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स हैं और जितने भी हॉस्पिटल्स हैं जो कि गवर्नमेंट रन करती है, ये किस तरह से इंटरलिंक्ड हैं. विलेज लेवल पे हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स होते हैं और इन हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स में कौन वर्क करता है? इन हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स में नर्सेस और विलेज हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स वर्क करते हैं और इनके ऊपर पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स होते हैं जो कि इनको सुपरवाइज करते हैं. एंड दीज पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स कवर मेनी विलेजेस इन रूरल एरियाज. इसके ऊपर डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पे डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल्स होते हैं. एंड व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ दीज डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल्स? दीज डिस्ट्रिक्ट हॉस्पिटल्स सुपरवाइजेस दीज पब्लिक हेल्थ केयर सेंटर्स. एंड अबव that means at the large cities, at the level of large cities, we have government hospitals and we have specialized government hospitals. So you can easily see that all these government hospitals are interlinked together. Like these government hospitals are supervising district hospitals are supervising public healthcare centers, and these public healthcare centers are further supervising these health centers. Why these public healthcare centers called public? इनको public क्यों कहा जाता है? इसके पीछे दो रीज़न हैं. First, government has established these hospitals and centers for everyone. That means these hospitals are established by government for everyone. That means there should no any discrimination in these kind of hospitals. Second, these medical facilities are provided at very low cost so that also the poor person can seek treatment. That means very low cost of medical facilities are provided in these kind of hospitals. So that poor can also seek treatment in these hospitals. So there should not be any discrimination between the rich and poor people in these kind of hospitals. So these are the two reasons behind. That is why these hospitals are called public healthcare hospitals. Now let us understand what are private healthcare services. These are the hospitals. These are the hospitals which are privately owned. That means these are not controlled by government. If these are not controlled by government, that means medical facilities are provided at very high cost, because in public hospitals government are providing very cheap rate of medical services. So in this, medical facilities are provided at very high rate, very high cost. So these are the private healthcare services. हमारा नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है, इज एडिक्वेट हेल्थ केयर अवेलेबल टू ऑल? दैट मीन्स क्या जितनी भी मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज़ हैं वो क्या सभी के लिए अवेलेबल हैं? तो हमारा जो आंसर है वो है बिकॉज इंडिया में एक बहुत ही पेक्यूलियर सिचुएशन है. इंडिया वी फेस दैट ऑल द प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स are increasing at faster rate, but government hospitals are not increasing. And we all know that in these private hospitals we have to pay very high amount to get the treatment done. So what is the problem? In private hospitals cost is very high and medicines are very expensive, which a poor person cannot afford. So there is a problem of poor person cannot afford the treatment. So we can conclude that all the medical facilities or all the healthcare facilities are not adequate for all the people in the country. So what government has to do? Government has to increase these public hospitals, these government hospitals. They have to increase the number of these hospitals and the number of doctors in these type of hospitals, so that poor person can also avail the facilities of medical at very low cost. So our next topic is what can be done. क्या किया जा सकता है? So it is the responsibility of the government to provide quality healthcare facilities to all the citizens. So government should provide quality healthcare facilities or services, to all the citizens. Even in our constitution we have right to life. We have right to life in our constitution. So it is the responsibility of the government to provide quality of services to all the citizens, especially the poor and disadvantaged section, of the society. So this chapter is over now. I will meet you in the next class. Till then, take care.